aircraft carrier coming in here to Norfolk Naval Air Station. Looks like a gunship out front, helicopter fire support. We just had a submarine come through. I got that on the other video. If you're from the Rio Grande Valley, no, this is not a cargo ship. This is not the Port of Brownsville. This is a major naval installation over here. There's several, actually. You got the Joint Amphibious Base over there at Norfolk Naval Air Station. Up this side, you got Norfolk Naval Weapons Station, Fort Story, Fort Eustis. Again, this is not a container ship. If you're from the Rio Grande Valley, this is an aircraft carrier. And the submarine was in front of it. We're at Fort Monroe here. Dogs are right there in the truck. We just got back from the dog park. Good thing I came down here today. It's just a gorgeous morning. Complete cloud cover. Again, this is not a container ship. That's a U.S. flag over there. That's not Mexico.